Hey guys, welcome to another David Zamaleta. In today's video, I want to show you my coilovers that I got for my Mazda RX-8. One of my coilovers is actually bad, and instead of just buying one, I went ahead and just bought a whole brand new set because pretty much all the bushings and stuff worn out. So let's check them out.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
By the way, this is worth about $250, so don't expect much, but it's a lot better than buying just one for that price. Wow, check them out, guys. These are pretty nice. Found the rear one. They look exactly identical to what I have in my Mazda RX-8 right now. Even like some of the bushings are pretty much identical. What's going on with mine is somehow this ended up popping through, and I don't know how it done that. But basically it did. It just popped right through. I'm not sure if it's missing some components, and that's actually what I'm gonna find out. Yeah. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be actually installing these struts onto my vehicle, at least one of them, and then I'm gonna just have a complete video just installing the struts. But the main thing I want to show you is, I want to show you right now what's going on with my rear strut. Perhaps this is going on with yours, and I'm gonna explain why this is happening. So take a look. So now that you have basically seen like what's going on, let's take a look at what's basically behind here. So we have one nut that's like that. We have this thick washer, and then this whole thing comes out as one big piece. This rubber piece you see, it's like a bushing that's basically pressed in there. I guess if I tried prying it apart, I could do that. But on mine, that bottom one is missing, that black one. And unless it's basically ripped out, and this is not how it is, like on mine. Basically all the stuff is loose. Basically when you remove it, this all removes, which I will show you actually coming up next after this. So let's set that down. Then we have this metal washer that goes on the back side of that, and then we have kind of like a plasticky type of thing. I guess this is to make it like not like metal on metal contact, to make it better, I guess. And then we have this washer here. It's pretty important. This keeps it from going further. So something has failed. Either this thing has failed, or it's because of the bushing on mine. You know, I'm really not sure. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and actually put all that stuff back. By the way, the ring obviously goes on these parts. Let me show you. This is like how it's going to be, like that. And then basically install. The installation, as you can see, basically I had to basically use both of my hands to try to make sure this is nicely aligned. And now I need to go ahead and replace the washer and the bolt. So here goes the washer, and here goes the bolt. So in case you guys never installed struts, I do want to explain that you need to use like a wrench. Don't use a socket, because here's why. You first put that wrench on there like that, because in order to actually get it tight, you're gonna need to hold that piece right there. So right now things are obviously still kind of loose, and we could basically spin them, but you don't want to get it too tight in this type of position, because what you're gonna end up doing is messing up that shock that's at the bottom by breaking it loose somehow. So you're gonna need to use a second hand and kind of grab this over here. I don't think pliers is best, but you know, those adjustable type of pliers would actually work really well on this one. You could just adjust it and put it on here. Another thing I want to show you, that it does come with two of the tools that you need for adjusting your coilovers suspension. So I guess you could use one to hold one, and then another one to basically twist and adjust. They all seem like they came somewhat pre-adjusted to whatever spec it is. You may need to like measure from here how many inches you want it to be adjusted for like the height and stuff. So it does come with a thank you card and a service manual, and it says that it's warranted, which is kind of good. And as far as the quality of this type of stuff, like as of now, I'm pretty satisfied. You know, it's probably gonna break eventually, but I'm really not sure how long this stuff lasts. But to pay $250, I think that's a pretty good deal. So that's what we're gonna use and go from there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And just like that, that video is over. Guys, if this was helpful to you, consider subscribing. Also hit a like in this video. It doesn't cost anything. The whole idea of this channel is to share information with other Mazda RX-8 owners. So if you guys have any of your friends or social media, please share these videos on social media. That way, the very few RX-8 owners that do exist can get the help that they deserve when it comes to working on the Mazda RX-8. Guys, please support the channel by subscribing. That is all. Hit the like button and see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.